Good evening. School districts across the lower mainland still haven't made a decision about whether they'll reopen tomorrow, with more heavy snowfall coming down right now.
Hi everyone! So it's been snowing in BC non-stop for the past 3 days. So we decided to go out in the park for a little adventure to see if we can snowboarding there instead of driving up the mountain. So let's go! Here at the park. It's so empty. Look at what we do. So we're gonna snowboard down there and then see where it takes us. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but it'll be pretty interesting. And the snow that we get is really fluffy. Like, no, it's salty. Anyway, so yeah, we'll see how it's gonna turn out.
A few moments later.
Why is it not going?
Because you're digging into snow.
This thing doesn't work. I thought fresh snow means we can go snowboarding, but no.
2,000 years later.
Yeah, so this is the only slope gonna be snowboarding on, and
We're not gonna be snowboarding on. You're gonna go once and then
that's it.
we're gonna go.
Okay. So this is how you put on bindings, and then when you want to get up, just push here, and then push your butt up like that, and then tap. Okay? Okay, I'm just gonna go.
Five minutes later.
Yeah, this is the farthest I can go. I'm tired running up and down. So I guess that's it for today vlog. This is what we do in winter, and
No, it's not what we do in winter. Only what not does in winter time.
that's what I do in winter time. I just want to go snowboarding, but I'm so lazy to drive up to the mountain, so this is what I do. Here?
Sure.